Hey everybody, I recently purchased the GoPro Hero 6 and I wanted to find a way to mount it onto a tripod without the use of this bulky case. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this. Every GoPro owner is going to own this case, but I want something that lets me use the small form factor size of the camera and keep it easy to pocket, easy to take off, on and off, no problem, and it doesn't block the microphones built into the camera. And so what I found is called the Backbone Sidekick. And so we're going to take a look at that in this video, but I think it solves a problem that the GoPro has in that it's lacking a 1/4-inch tripod adapter built into the camera. So let's take a look at that right now. Alright, so the Backbone Sidekick, one of the advantages it gives the GoPro is over its rival cameras like this Yi Lite right here. Almost all the rivals have this 1/4-inch tripod mount built in. And so that makes it super easy if you just want to take it on the go, put a handle on it, put it on a tripod. Very easy to take on and off. Super simple to manipulate. It's an industry standard, and a lot of the competitive cameras come with this built in. And so the GoPro Hero 6 is missing that, but we can actually add it using the Backbone Sidekick. And so what this comes with is a really simple installation process here. I can show you all on camera actually. So what you do is you replace this side door with these pieces here, and I'm going to zoom in and show you exactly how easy it is to install right now. So let's take a look. So this door of course just pops right on out. There you go. So that's easy to take off. And this is a two-piece design. It feels like it's solid aluminum, very stable, and the friction fit is actually really nice. So this piece just pops right in, pushes straight in, and you can hear it pop in. So that's not designed to swing out, it just pops in and out, pops right in there. And it has a secondary piece right here that has this lip on the side that fits in very well to this groove in the back of the case. So you stick that in there, and again the friction fit is very nice. It feels very secure. And then the last part to secure it in place, it comes with these very tiny screws and an Allen wrench. Let's stick these in place. And really the only downside I could think of with this kit is if you drop these screws or misplace this very small Allen key, you're going to have a hard time finding one to replace it. I'm not sure exactly what size it is. I'm sure you could purchase one, but this is a very small Allen wrench, so it's going to be hard to find, I would think, in your regular hardware stores. But the screws just go right in like that. Super quick and easy installation. I'm not tightening them down too much in case you want to remove it, because you don't want to strip these out, because if you tighten too hard you could strip the screw heads and then you're never taking it off. But it is on there, it is solid, it is secure, and now it is just as easy to install any 1/4-inch tripod mount accessory. So whether it's a handheld grip, whether it's a small tripod, it really does open up your GoPro to a lot of different accessories out there, and it doesn't have this big bulky case. This I dislike greatly. It's just too bulky. For the whole point for me to have this small camera is to be able to stick it in my pocket and go. And of course what you lose with this is wide open now, so the camera is no longer waterproof. But for your own individual use you have to determine if that's important or not. For me, I don't go underwater. I probably never will with this camera, so having this open is not an issue at all. And the fact that it's open makes it really nice. You can still have access to your charging cable. You can still have access to your micro HDMI cable, and they both still fit in there just fine without any issue. Unless you're like me and putting it in backwards. There you go. So still have full access to everything while it's mounted. And I know Backbone, the company that makes this, they also produce the entire cage replacement for this camera, so you can attach huge lenses to this GoPro. But what's easy to notice is what's really cool actually, this supports up to 600 grams of weight, which that's what, 20-something ounces, over a pound of weight on this small device right here. And I don't think most of us are going to put over a pound of weight on the GoPro, but again it's designed for those replaceable lenses, so you could have a huge honking lens on this camera, have it on a tripod, and it'll be super steady, super solid. And so the good thing about the Sidekick here, it was only 15 bucks. And now the company comes from Canada, so you're going to pay a few extra bucks to ship it here. But $15 for a very inexpensive part that's very high quality, it's solid aluminum. And I see it lasting the life of the camera. Because again, it looks nice, it feels nice, it's high quality. So super happy to be showing this off. And I'm just happy that I can have this camera back in my pocket. And then if I need to put it on a tripod, it's on there. No problem, no issue. No case to worry about, nothing extra to carry with me. The day of carrying all of these things is over. Don't need all these accessories anymore. For my purposes at least, I think the 1/4" mount is enough of a standard that it's good enough for me to mount the GoPro anywhere I need it to. But again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. But again, you should just be going to Backbone's website. $15 for this mount. That's a steal. Very good deal. You all have a nice day. Bye-bye.